Going down.
I have a package. So we are taking 1996 straight up to 2019 with a cassette to AUX and then an AUX to Lightning. Shit should be lit. I had one of these. Okay, let me go back. My stereo only works in the winter. I don't know why. I've checked all the fuses, I've checked all the relays, I've checked everything. It only works in the winter. So, last winter, I had one of these that went from cassette to AUX, but I don't remember. Oh, it got caught up in my shifter. I remember I was shifting, it got caught up, and I just yanked that shit straight out of the cassette. I did that. And, yeah. So, one thing that needs to happen is my heat has to be on blast for the radio to work. My headlights have to be on for the radio to work. And then I gotta do this. Oh, look at that. It works. So, we do tape/CD. Plug my phone in. Plugged it in. We're gonna go to music. And we're just gonna press shuffle. And it shuffled to some D-Smoke. Obviously, I can't play too much of this, so, but it worked, if you heard that. Okay, I hope that the rattling isn't too loud. I have solid trans and motor mounts. I did the Vorslag, like full race mounts. Plan today is we are gonna go to Hunt Valley Cars and Coffee, and then we are gonna work on Alec's car. I did promise people on Instagram that I would do a Q&A. I have like 10 or 15 questions, and I'm gonna do the Q&A while I'm working on Alec's car, or like in between. We'll see. You wanna be on the vlog?
What?
You wanna be on the vlog?
Am I on the vlog?
You're on the vlog.
How's the lighting? Are we doing a fist bump?
We're doing a fist bump.
Right here?
Right here. Thank you, Will.
Oh no, the cop tried to tell the judge that his flag
Good, man. Thank you.
another motor.
Comes in my mouth. I hope you got that.
So what are you doing today?
Making a race car. Bolt a bunch of plastic on this clapped E36.
Are you on live?
Doesn't look that clapped on your lens. That's neat.
Where is it?
That is a cute little guy.
That's a cute little nail.
There we go.
Look at this guy.
You.
You think it's gonna hiss?
I hope not.
Do you have a patch kit?
No!
So leave it in.
What does this look like, a garage?
Yeah, I would leave it in. I don't know, man.
Unless you
I mean, it's below the trailer.
It's not gonna get pushed in any further
Yeah.
at the moment. You
I
wanna
mean,
see it?
You could actually
Not
knock
really.
it in further and it would be better.
Look at that cute little guy.
Oh.
I don't know, man. I'd pull it.
You think?
I don't know how long it is, but like,
Are you filming right now?
I'm filming right now.
Okay, let's pull it. I mean, do I have your permission to pull it?
Yeah, go for it.
You sure?
It's on
You sure?
camera. You said go for it, so.
Alright.
Like on camera.
Oh, it's tiny. Look at that.
Let down.
So you measured everything you said, right?
What?
You measured everything? Or it's just, you just raw dogging it? Oh, I love raw dogging things. What was I supposed to, what am I going to measure? I showed you it was straight.
Wow, that looks like shit.
You need to stand up, Sean.
Yo,
That shit is so funny.
Yo.
honestly.
is you a hot boy or no? Yo, what is you?
You want to suck my thumb, bitch?
Whoa. Okay, goodbye. So, Riger GT front lip. Oh yeah, fog deletes.
It's wax.
Mucho beto.
Yeah, a rag and some just like APC. What?
What the hell is APC?
You were zooming in on me on your Instagram live. Follow my man's at a fast as A2. A fast S5.
I can't get any justice around here.
And then this man's never posted on Instagram, so don't follow him.
We going full hot boy?
We're going full hot boy.
I like it.
Hot boy is stuck.
Is it really? At least the front lip looks good.
I don't even think that went down.
Are we
Guten Tag!
Are we stancy now?
Yeah, you done, cuz.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Neat.
Now let's rub them fenders away.
Mm-hmm. If it don't fit, it'll rub until it does.
Yeah.
Should we wait until outside?
Yeah.
Perhaps.
So, we slammed this Johnny. Not really slammed it, but it was monster trucking before. So, we Gucci. So, you want to cut up some bolsters, my guy?
Let's do it. What's up? You taking a knife to
I'm taking a
Modena?
knife to some Modena.
Why?
Why? Because you want a clean interior.
This really hurts my heart. What are we cutting it for?
To fit the cage.
Uh-huh.
I measured, don't worry.
No, you didn't.
There's metal in there.
Is it really?
Yeah.
This would hurt so much less if it was just a black
See this little
interior.
thing right here?
Oh, the clip.
Boys.
And shout out to you for making that cute little thing. Yeah.
I don't know how I'm gonna get this metal out of here. Or cut the metal.
Alright.
Alright.
$50 is good on this.
Are there 2 bars? There might be.
Oh, you better hope not.
There might be 2 bars.
That's a good look for you.
Alright, I gotta go all the way in. How's my cake look from right there?
Delicious.
Huh?
Delicious.
Cool.
Come on out, princess.
Princess. Says the guy that has other people working on his car.
Was that fun?
That was a blast.
So we got bolsters now.
They look aight. Cut it hard. Oh! I already heard it. Nah, I didn't touch.
I heard something. Yeah, you good?
Oh, you good.
Rubbing so bad.
Is it really? BRB.
I'll be back. The lip again.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah, I'm with you though. Clear corners are.
Yeah, it needs clear corners, and then clear side johnnies, and then clear rears to match me. Damn, my battery's about to die. How was Home Depot, sir?
Great, I got what I need.
I was asked to do a Q&A. I put this here because the last question that was asked was, why did you put your stock wheels back on? One, as you can see, there's no tire on this because the tires that were on my RK2s were from like 1995 and they had a shit ton of dry rot and they need to be taken off anyway. And two, I want to polish these lips, and then so I got to take them apart, and it's so much easier if there's no tire on it. And then obviously I can't have them on the car if I'm gonna take them apart. So that's why I took my stock or put my stock wheels back on. Someone said I should make a video on all my mods on my car. If you check out my ModFacts garage, it has all the mods on the car. I might do a walk around of everything in like the next video if you guys really want it. But all the mods are listed on modfacts.com. You can look up M Hardy. That's my name on there. Most expensive mod. I think it's like, so these wheels were somewhat expensive. But I think the most expensive thing that I've like spent on the car, I'm gonna say, is like paint stuff. Like getting the car paint corrected. I'm not gonna tell you how much that was because that was a deal between me and my paint guy. But that or these wheels. These wheels weren't too expensive, but like I got a pretty good deal on them. But paint correction was definitely the most expensive thing. Where did I get my seat belts? So my seat belts are OEM BMW Motorsport red seat belts in the front. I haven't been able to find a rear set just yet. Where did I get the wing from? So the wing is actually a eBay wing, I'll admit it. It's probably the best replica wing that I could find. I had a couple friends that bought it before I bought it, and they said fitment was pretty good, and I will say fitment is perfect. There's no like weird edges or weird gaps. It's perfect. Don't have problems with it. I've had problems with the paint on it, but that's the painter's issue. Willing to go into that. Which car do I like better, the E36 or the United 2? So like, that's a hard question for real. Because, don't look at me like that. Alright babe, which car do you like better? You gotta say it loud so I can hear you.
The E36?
Why are you saying, why do you like the E36 better?
Because I just think it's more unique.
Disrespectful, okay. So if I wrapped the United 2 purple, it'd be unique?
No, it'd be nasty.
Okay. I don't know, I like them equally. The comforts that the United 2 brings, like a working radio, it's not loud as fuck from like solid mounts. It's not stiff as fuck from, I should stop cussing. E92 is more comfortable. Even though it has race seats in it, it's just like creature comforts. Like the heat heats up a little bit faster. The AC works a little bit faster. Radio and sound system, it's all like the same thing. It's a lot smoother, even though I have like KWs on it. It still has the adaptive dampening control, or DDC as KW calls it. So I can still go from like comfort to sport plus. But that was pretty much all hyping the E92 up. The E36 is the best handling car I've ever owned. It like feels like a go-kart. It's fun as shit. It's super raw. It's pretty torquey for a 90s, for being as old as it is. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's like zippy. It's fun. But the E92 is like super raw for like a modern car. I think it's the last true M3. So I'm gonna say it's like 50-50. I can't really say that I like it more than the other. I like one more than the other. So, what rare parts do you have on your car? So, I've never seen RK2s in E36, like actual 5x120 spec. So I'm gonna say these BBSs are pretty freaking rare. I almost cussed again. I don't know if this is in frame or not, but I just got these. I wasn't planning on keeping them, but it seems like I'm gonna keep them. And I'll probably install them in the car. I just need to buy new clips for the back because there's only 3 out of the 4 that I need. And I know that I'm gonna break clips taking the original one out. But I have Motorsport door sills, and then I also have Motorsport door trim that I will be installing. The seat belts are pretty rare. No one really sees those that often. That's pretty much it. I mean, everything's pretty easy to come across still. I wish I had like an Abrams wing or maybe even an OEM wing, but it is what it is. I guess that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Leave a like, comment, whatever you want to see in the next video. Subscribe. That's it. I'm done. You can fart now if you want. It's not recording, I promise. You can't see that. The red light is not on. Sure.
No, it's not.
Is it really? That'd be great timing.
Gotcha.